Today I'm gonna show you my Action City Space Mission Space Shuttle. This is hard. I think I need scissors. Wow, it even has wheels. Oh wow, what's this thing? Wow, I have 3 astronauts, 1 rocket ship that opens like this. And I have a space bag for the first man on the moon. This is the space launch. It can launch the spaceship. All this is metal with plastic parts. I think I need the wheels out. There are stickers to name your space shuttle. There's Atlantis, Discovery, Endeavour, and Spaceship Enterprise. Just pick one so you can label your space shuttle. Can I use all of them? No! The wheels can come down for landing. Let's put them back up for launch. I opened the space shuttle for the moonwalk and the American flag for the first man on the moon. Even footprints behind. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye. Be good.